Welcome to the Eidoo wallet, a powerful tool designed for both novice and experienced cryptocurrency users. Upon entering the platform, you'll notice its sleek and intuitive design, which makes navigating the complex world of cryptocurrencies straightforward. Eidoo offers a multi-currency wallet that allows you to manage, store, and exchange a wide range of crypto assets in one place. The wallet security is top-notch, incorporating hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallet architecture and biometric authentication for optimal protection. Beyond simple storage, Eidoo is deeply integrated with DeFi features, providing seamless access to staking, decentralized exchanges, and other blockchain-based services. One of its standout features is the built-in token swap functionality, making it easy to trade cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Additionally, the Eidoo card offers users the ability to spend their crypto seamlessly in the real world, bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Eidoo also places a strong emphasis on transparency and decentralization. Its hybrid exchange model combines the speed and efficiency of centralized exchanges with the security of decentralized ones. For those interested in tokenized assets, Eidoo offers a unique opportunity to export tokenized gold and other commodities directly through its platform. The app is available on both mobile and desktop, ensuring you can manage your crypto on the go or from the comfort of your home. To get started, download the app, set up your wallet, and begin exploring the world of cryptocurrency with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to stay updated on all things crypto.